Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shelly from Crafty Cottage Dreams. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Today I'm popping on just to share a quick, simple little project that I created using Doreen's digital kit, Snippets to Cherish Flower Shop. Snippets to Cherish Flower Shop. And I'm in the process of creating 3 journals using that digital kit. And in the meantime, you know, we all have scraps left over. So I wanted to use up those scraps. I tend to want to use up those scraps only because of the sheer fact that I don't want a huge bucket at the end of the day full of scraps. And I don't want to throw them out either. So as scraps come along, I, you know, put my journal aside and I'll create something out of using those scraps. So I created some door hangers and cute little door hangers that you can use in your home decor, place in your craft room, wherever. And my inspiration actually came from Heather over at Ruby and Pearl, and she created hers using, let's see if I still have that. Oh, here it is. Using book covers. And I certainly could have done that. However, I chose to do mine on corrugated cardboard because I have a lot of corrugated cardboard and I wanted to be different. But that is also a great idea. And yeah, so let's get started. So again, I created them out of corrugated cardboard and I used my gesso and distressed them up a little bit. And here I added some lace I had in my stash from an old curtain. And I just added some twine for the hanger, sari silk for the bow. And we have Doreen's beautiful script writing here from her digital. This beautiful image. I love these images, Doreen. They're beautiful. And on the back of that, I have a French book page. And then here I just have a snippet here in French, and then another snippet here in 1842. Now these snippets are from Sam Poole, because I just can't get enough of her little snippets. So I did incorporate them in here. Yeah, so isn't that a beautiful image from Doreen's kit? And then this is from Doreen's kit, Flowers Fresh Daily, and I added some dried flowers that were gifted to me. And I just attached them on there. Yeah, so it's a super cute, super cute way to use up those scraps, guys, along the way. And that's what I've been doing. So there's that one. And then we have this one. And we have Doreen's beautiful digital here. So pretty. And I just stamped vintage here in distressed using Tim Holtz ink in vintage photo. No, I believe it was walnut stain. I used walnut stain. And yeah, I just scrunched it up a little bit, crinkled up the paper. And then we have some beautiful blush pink sari silk. Then we have a little cluster of sari silk here. And then I used that French book page from my Journal des Moselles. I'm no good at French, guys. No good. But anyway, that's very old, guys. And then Doreen's beautiful script digital here. That beautiful image. And I just kind of collaged. Did some layering. And then we have these snippets here. These are Sam Pools. I love her little snippets. Then Doreen's Flowers Fresh Daily. And then again, I added some dried flowers that were gifted to me and just attached them with some tape there. And it's just a super simple project to create using up your scraps, guys. I don't like a whole bucket full of scraps. I try to tend as I'm creating, okay, I have all these leftover scraps. What am I going to do with them? I don't really want to throw them in my bucket. Let's create something real quick, whether it's a master board or some sort of tag or ephemera or something. I'll kind of do that along the way. And yeah, so super simple projects. See, these are going to be gifted to Doreen. And yeah, so these are for you, Doreen. I hope you love them. They're just super simple, super cute. And I just loved creating them. And yeah, and I also created, let's see if I can grab, oh, here they are. And, sorry guys, I'm coming. I really should be more prepared. But in the process of creating those 3 journals as well, I created, along the way, I've been creating some master boards using Doreen's beautiful digitals. And these will be made for ephemera cards, tags to go in those 3 journals. And I just think I love them. I love the colors in here. I just added some French book pages along the way. And I did some stamping. And of course, I did add some of Sam Pools snippets there because I just love them. Yeah, so like I said, in the process of creating 3 journals, you tend to have a lot of scraps left over. So that's kind of what I did. And these will be used for tags and ephemera to go in my journals. So that is that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to pop on and share these really quick. My first design team project for OohlalaVintageTreasures using her beautiful digital Snippets to Cherish Flower Shop. Super cute. And that's it, guys. Just a simple way to create some beautiful things and surround yourself with something beautiful while you're in the midst of creating something else. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Until next time, much love and hugs. Bye-bye.